from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
An update from the General Assembly and your chance to meet a Shark Tank competitor today in Henrico. We'll tell you more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Thursday, February 24th, 2022. It's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
A bill that has passed the Virginia Senate would make it illegal to send sexually explicit content to another person electronically without consent. The bill would allow civil action to be taken against the offender. It was introduced by Senator Jennifer McClelland of Richmond, but it has bipartisan support. The bill would make it possible for the recipients of non-consensual intimate images to be awarded actual damages or $500, whichever is greater, in addition to reasonable attorney fees and costs. According to the bill, both people involved would have to be at least 18 years old. During a February 7th Committee for Judiciary session, McClelland said that while it's illegal for someone to expose themselves in person, that same person could send an unsolicited image to another person after being told expressly by the second person that they didn't want it, but nothing could happen. Her bill's designed to change that. The bill's now waiting to be taken up by the House of Delegates. The CEO of soup manufacturer Supergirl, Sarah Poland, will appear at the Kroger store at 9000 Staples Mill Road today, beginning at 10 a.m. to provide samples of her product, which is launching in Kroger stores in this region today. Supergirl was one of 5 companies nationally to win the grocer's Go Fresh and Local Supplier Accelerator program. The company makes ready-made heat and eat soups, chilies, and gazpacho from farm-fresh local produce. In addition to samples, customers attending the launch might receive other giveaways like insulated tote bags and gift cards. Supergirl also was featured on Shark Tank. Character Works Theater will present the musical Annie Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at the Cultural Arts Center at Glen Allen. Tickets for the show are $16 a piece. For details, you can visit cworkstheater.org. That's theater, Theater. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Henrico County, which is celebrating Black History Month all month long. Visit the county's YouTube page at youtube.com/Henrico County Government to watch original documentaries and biographies spotlighting Henrico's black community. That's youtube.com/Henrico County Government.